In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Google Keep. If you've ever wanted to plan a trip with a friend, share a shopping list with family, or brainstorm ideas with a teammate, sharing a Keep note is a quick way to stay in sync without juggling separate messages. First, open a browser and go to keepgoogle.com, then pick the note you want to share. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use Keep for both personal and work projects. Click the note to open it so you can see the toolbar along the bottom. Next, look for the collaborator icon on that bottom toolbar. It looks like a small person with a plus symbol and typically sits near the color palette and image buttons. Click it to open the sharing panel. This is where you control who can work on the note with you. Now type the email address of the person you want to add. You can add more than one person here if you're collaborating with a group. Take a second to check spellings. The address needs to match the account your collaborator uses to sign into Google. If they use a work or school account, keep in mind that organization policies might affect whether they can join. As you add addresses, you'll see them appear as chips in the panel confirming they're ready to be invited. When you're set, click Save. That's it. The people you added are now collaborators on this note. They'll receive a notification from Google Keep, and you should see their profile icons appear on the note, indicating it's shared. From now on, everyone you invited can open the same note and make edits in real time, including updating checkboxes, adding images, changing colors, and leaving drawings. Remember that collaborators have full editing access to that note, so only share content you're comfortable maintaining together. A few quick tips to make collaboration smoother. If someone says they can't see the note, verify that you added the correct email and that they're viewing Keep while signed into that account. If an address isn't recognized, it may need to be associated with a Google account before it can be added. Also, changes are saved automatically, so there's no separate save button for content, only for adding collaborators. If you ever need to adjust who has access, you can return to the same collaborator icon to review or update the list. And that's how you add collaborators in Google Keep. Simple, fast, and perfect for staying organized together.